Hello, this is your education consultant, Allie again. Today is Friday, so that means it's Feature Friday. Working again on ClassFlow, as many of us right now are in a learning environment that's either remote or hybrid. Remember, ClassFlow is free, and it's Promethean's cloud-based lesson delivery software that allows you to deliver polls and lessons, create activities and quizzes or assessments to deliver to your students in real time, along with that instant whiteboard. And so today I wanted to show you how to quickly and easily embed something into your lessons. So I'm going to go to the lesson we've been working with, which is our ClassFlow, or not our ClassFlow, our lesson on multiplication, our multiplication facts lesson. And so I'm going to come to this lesson and I'm going to choose Edit Lessons. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a card. So I'm going to go to my cog on my first card, and I am going to add a card. And so now I have the card that I want to embed my video in. Now, as you know, when you come to a YouTube video, it often has the ads before it. And so by embedding my video into ClassFlow, I am going to make sure that those ads are not in there before we start. So this is the video that I want to use in my card deck. And so I'm going to go to the video and I'm going to click on the share button. Now, what I want here is I want to choose the embed. That will bring that video into my card deck. And so I'm going to click embed and I'm going to get this iframe embed code. And so I'm going to Control All. And then I can either click copy or I can do Control C on my clipboard. Then in my card deck, I am going to choose the little chain link up in my toolbar. When I click that, it gives me the choice to put it in as a link, but in this case, I'm going to embed. So I'm going to choose Custom HTML. Then I'm going to Control V into my box here. And then I'm going to add to current card. Now you can see here that it doesn't play from here, but you see this little movie under here. So when I go to preview, I can play that video right from my card. And I don't have to worry about the ads that will come up before. And so now I'm going to exit my builder, and here I am. Remember, it is cloud-based, so that's automatically saved. Now, remember we talked about using those student cards. And so I've clicked down here on my teacher student button, my rubrics cube down here, and you can notice that right now there's nothing here. So I can use this in an asynchronous situation by putting this on my student rostered class and having this video copied, duplicated to my student card. So when I share this with my class in my student rostered class, they'll be able to see it. I can also make the choice not to have that be on my student card. So I'm going to show you as a bonus feature here what I could do here for my student card and what that will look like. So I'm going to click on that student card and I get my blank card. You can see my teacher card remains my video. I love to use this to remind my students what they should be doing when this is going, when this when this video is playing. And so I am going to add text. So if my students are in class with me, they'll be able to have this card to remind them to look toward the board and watch the video. If they're remote, it will remind them to come back to where I'm presenting the lesson to be able to watch the video. So I'm going to place on this card, watch the video and be ready to practice your times two facts. And so those times two facts, that practice is actually going to come in another video. I'm going to show you how to embed that activity we did the other day into your cards. And so I'm going to make this a little bit larger for my students. Oops. I'm going to make this a little bit larger for my students. I'm going to make that in the middle. And then maybe I want to add a picture. And let me see, I'm going to upload a picture of, I'll do this one. And there I am in the corner. So now when I go to deliver that lesson on my student screen, they're going to see this card. And then on the teacher screen, whether it's on your panel or your other interactive device or within your Teams or however else you are delivering your lesson to your students, they're going to be able to watch this video and their card will remind them to be in the space where they can watch that video. I hope that feature helped today, and I will see you on Monday for a Monday Momentum. And on Monday Momentum, we're going to see how we're going to add that activity into this lesson we're building. I hope you try it, and I hope it saves you a lot of time. Have a wonderful day, and remember to harness the power of Promethean.